Hi, baby boys. What are you doing? Hi, cuties. You watching TV? You big Seinfeld fans? Aww. Aww. You guys are so cute. You're so cute. You got anything to say for the camera? Besides grunting? You hiding? Oh, you got a secret for your brother? Or you're just sucking his ear? You're licking his ear. That's odd. That's a little odd. Not sure how Holden feels about the ear licking. Giving him a wet willy, but without a finger. He hasn't entirely decided that he dislikes it. He's kind of thinking it over. Oh, man. Whoa, it's getting personal.
You should see the look in his eyes. Can you see that with the camera?
Yeah.
He's just...
That's so weird. Elliot. Elliot. Alright, I think he's about to get elbowed off of him. He's like, had enough.